Brilliant, collaborative solutions for flexible artisanal manufacturing. This video is to present an executive summary of Brilliant project. The presented solution is developed in TRINITY Demonstration Program 1, where one of the goals is to improve the agility of European SME in the manufacturing industry. This use case is presented by TRINITY SME partner Agile, placed in Switzerland, Subsi in Switzerland too, and Robotics in Italy. Brilliant Consortium is made by 3 partners: Agile, that is the consortium leader and the end user; Subsi, the technology provider; and Robotics, exploitation leader and technology provider too. Brilliant challenge. Main challenge to face with has been that small companies, which typically have to deal with huge variability of demand and consequently production of small lots, still struggle with the adoption of easy-to-program cobots and faster ramp-ups. The Brilliant demonstrator aims at developing a proof of concept of a collaborative solution for artisanal manufacturing in the high-tech production line dedicated to the tweezer production. Specifically, the manufacturing operations that are being re-engineered towards the combination of the flexibility and dexterity of humans with the repeatability of cobots are welding, tweezer aligning, tail grinding, cleaning of welding spots. Starting from the as-is made by 8 steps, the Brilliant process brought 2 more steps: the buffer feeding and the box feeding. Brilliant tasks started with meetings and events within the consortium and with the TRINITY consortium to analyze the as-is scenario and to start defining the to-be scenario concept. From the first round of laboratory tests, the attention has been to polishing feasibility assessment and to the picking and posing test through the cobot. After the second round of laboratory tests, a prototype has been built, enabling advanced polishing, picking and posing tests. The design of the work cell and its simulation were done, and the technology has been selected. The first technology introduced has been the intervention manager, able to orchestrate the cobot and the work cell. The work cell has been set up, as well as the installation and integration of the machine. The second technology introduced has been the data management system and the Brilliant app to show real-time data. Then the integration of all technology has been done. Thanks to continuous tests and improvements, the automatic jig, the parameterization of the part program, and cycle time optimization have been achieved. The entire solution has been deployed in high-tech environment, and continuous tests and improvements guaranteed the achievement of the project goal. At the end, also training on the industrial environment began. Here it's possible to see the main result, the work cell, made of several parts as welding machine, blades removable buffer, automatic jig, R10 on a carriage, Vention workbench, grinding and polishing machine, extractor fan. It's possible to resume the Brilliant solution through its 3 main applications. The Intervention Manager, a rule-based smart application that autonomously orchestrates collaborative work cell, targeting multiple criteria set by the end user. The data management system, a system that allows to acquire in a structured and real-time way IoT data. And the Brilliant app that allows users to perform all relevant operations in an interactive way. Main KPIs of the project are a test over 100 tweezers that has been performed, achieving 100% of in-quality soldered plates. A test over 60 tweezers that has been performed, achieving a quality of 97% of in-quality tweezers. The process from plate picking to boxing lasts from 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, depending on the process parameters. During the test, the Brilliant app activates all the machines without any communication issue. The contribution to the Agile manufacturing methodology comes with Brilliant 2 objectives: the development of smart, orchestrated, and reconfigurable collaborative work cell, and the combination of flexibility and dexterity of humans with repeatability of cobots. Moreover, it came thanks to the Agile technology transfer approach, from laboratory to simulation, from simulation to the company, prototyping, testing, and updating the solution. Trinity supported Brilliant project through their technical expert, through its community and network. It enabled to exploit Brilliant results and to enlarge the community of Brilliant consortium partners. The availability of Brilliant modules. The intervention manager. It takes as input the current status of the work cell, and it provides as output the sequence of part programs to be executed, together with their parameters and the intervention to be performed, in order to run efficiently and effectively the production. It can be offered with license. The data management system. It is a system that allows to acquire in a structured and real-time way IoT data. It's able to gather data through advanced industrial machine, gateway, or other correlated application. It can be offered with the two most popular options in the market: license or pay-per-use. The iLive Machine app for Brilliant. It's a user interface that allows users to perform all relevant operations in an interactive way. It's possible to perform several use cases: definition of the entities of the IoT data model, visualization of the device's metadata, and of data recorded inside the system. Data visualization functionalities are also included: accessing device information and metadata, accessing last value summary for each device, browsing the history of collected data. It can be offered with the two most popular options in its market: license or pay-per-use. More info related to Brilliant project are available on the Brilliant Consortium partner channels.